Hey YouTube, welcome back. So today I'm going to unbox this. This is the 50 feet fish tape and some of this fiberglass wiring running kit. This is 33 feet by Centec. So I got this up of Harbor Freight. They have the one with the shorter one. I think it's like 11 feet. So for my project, I need to have a longer kit. So since I like the Roku so much, I purchased an additional one from Best Buy so I can put in my master bedroom. So because we have a reward, I think I end up paying this about $5 or $6. This one is on sale for $39.99. Regular price is $49.99 at Best Buy. And I purchased one on eBay for $30 with my own money. But since we have a reward, I use some of those money. And this I got out of Home Depot. So I'm trying to make an outlet for my TV in my son's room. So this is a box, and you get a puncher here for the wire to go through here, or two on top. And good thing about this, once you screw it on tight, there's a flap right here. It's gonna anchor it down with the drywall and make a tightness over there. So make sure you cut the hole correctly. So you need to push it in, push this against the drywall, and then make an indentation, and then use a knife to cut it out. This one on the bottom as well. So this was on sale at Home Depot for only like $1, which is a pretty good deal. So I think originally this is like $1.79, $1.40 something. And I purchased this outlet. It's only like 77 cents. They have a different color, like beige, and then a white color. So you screw this on over here. Okay. After you wire in, and then you got the neutral line right here, and then the ground, and this is the hot side. Neutral, always go with the ground. You could insert the wire in here, or wrap around and screw on tight. And this is the faceplate for it. Okay. So if your drywall or behind the drywall has fiberglass or whatever, you probably need to use this fish tape. This one is the 50 feet fish tape. And it is also by Centec. So I press this to release it. So yeah, since this is loop around, and when you insert this to the drywall, you might want to go against toward the drywall. So yeah, 50 feet is pretty long. I think I only need like maybe 3 or 4 feet, but I just get the longer one just in case. And this one was like $9.99, and this one was like $8.99. So go ahead and check out this. So this is like a flex extension, pretty cool. And then there's a hook tip. Wow. And this is also screw on. So you gotta make sure you screw it on pretty good. And then there's this one right here. It's a round tip with a hole. You can insert a wire here. Different kind of gauge. And then after that you can tape it and pull it. So it's kind of stiff, which is what you need to go straight line up. Or if there's a little bit of curvature, then you could use and bend it. But this is more like a more flexible. You could add in between the rods, so. Wow, you can even bend more than 90 degrees, okay? So it's a pretty good set. Lucky I checked it because on eBay they will try to sell the smaller kit. I think that was only like $7.99. They will try to charge me 21 or 20 something bucks. So lucky I checked locally. Lucky I checked on Home Depot and then Harbor Freight. So anyway. Hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.